Hi everyone. Hi Emily. Hi Emily.
Hi Morris.
This is boring. Is this how honeybees talk to each other?
No. Honeybees communicate pretty differently actually. Do you know how honeybees communicate?
Well, I don't think honeybees talk like adults. And I don't think they talk like kids, or bark like dogs, or sing like birds. But I have heard them buzz. Is that how honeybees communicate with each other?
The buzzing sound that bees make actually comes from their wings, not talking. They beat their wings so fast that it makes a buzz sound. Morris, come back. They actually communicate by dancing.
Did you say dancing? Do they go, flowers over here, flowers over there?
Yes, they actually do, but not exactly like that. Bees use dances to tell their friends where the flowers with the best nectar and the best pollen are.
Are their dances as cool as mine?
Well, they have different dances. When the flowers are far away from the hive, bees do the waggle dance. When they do the waggle dance, bees waggle and then run around in a sideways figure of 8 pattern like this. Let's take a look. They start facing the direction of the flowers and waggle, 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 then run around one way. They face the flowers again, waggle, 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 and run around the other way. The more they do the dance, the further away the flowers are. Let's have a look at a bee doing the waggle dance. See if you can recognize the waggling. Great waggling, Morris. But did you know, when the flowers are close to the hive, they do the round dance. When they do the round dance, bees run around in a circle one way and then turn around and run back the other way in a circle.
This is so much fun. Can we try it in the hive?
Totally!